The 50/30/20 rule, the budgeting hack you need to know. Ever feel like your money disappears the moment your paycheck hits? You're not alone. Managing money can feel overwhelming. Bills, debt, savings, and still trying to enjoy life. But what if there was a simple formula that could make budgeting effortless? Enter the 50/30/20 rule, a proven method to take control of your finances without feeling restricted. Let's break it down. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple budgeting framework that helps you divide your income into 3 clear categories. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Think of it as a roadmap for your money, ensuring you're covering essentials, enjoying life, and still building your future. Let's start with the biggest chunk, 50% for needs. This covers your absolute essentials, the non-negotiables you need to survive. Rent or mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries, insurance, health, car, home, minimum debt payments. If you can't live without it, it belongs here. The goal is to keep these expenses at or below 50% of your income. If you're spending more, it might be time to reassess. Maybe find a cheaper apartment, cook more at home, or reduce unnecessary subscriptions. Next up, 30% for wants. This is where lifestyle spending comes in, things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential. Dining out and takeout, streaming services and entertainment, shopping and hobbies, vacations and travel. Now, let's be real, this is the category where most people overspend. And that's okay. The key isn't to eliminate fun, but to set limits. If you're spending more than 30%, you might be sacrificing savings or struggling with bills. A little self-control here goes a long way. Finally, we have the most powerful category, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is your wealth building section. Here's where your money starts working for you. Emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Retirement savings, 401k, Roth IRA, or investments. Extra payments toward debt beyond the minimums. If you're in debt, focus on paying it down first. If not, investing early can set you up for financial freedom. Even if it's just a small amount now, consistency is what matters. Sounds great, right? But how do you actually use this rule in real life? 1. Calculate your after-tax income, the money that actually hits your bank account. 2. Multiply it by 50%, 30%, and 20% to see how much you should allocate. 3. Compare your actual spending. Are you over or under in any category? 4. Adjust if needed. Cut back on wants. Find ways to lower fixed costs or increase savings. If you don't hit these percentages perfectly, don't stress. The point isn't perfection, it's progress. Small changes lead to big results. The beauty of the 50/30/20 rule is that it's flexible. It works for almost any income level and helps you balance your present with your future. No more guilt about spending on fun stuff because you've already allocated for it. No more worrying about savings because it's built into your budget. And most importantly, no more wondering where your money went. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? Start today. Calculate your income, divide it up, and start making intentional money moves. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a simple budgeting strategy. See you in the next video.